Hello, my name's Tony Enders, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up the Chain Shark. First thing you want to do, grab the Chain Shark out of the box. You want to spin this arm so it goes all the way over and lock it down. Get your cord out of the way. Grab your foot pedal, bag of bolts and nuts. Put those out on the table. I'm going to set my head to 90 degrees just so I can access everything really easy. Then I want to grab 2 square nuts and 2 bolts. Get those started in here. Just kind of bring them so they're flush with the end. Alright, and straighten those out. 2 plastic spacers here you want to grab. Make sure this is snug. Grab your Chain Shark. Put your plastic spacer on your bolt. There's a little angle on here, which way that has to go. Just slide that like so. Same thing here. Slide that in. I'm going to straighten my head up here just to make things easier. Now I'm going to grab my Allen wrench. There's a reference mark on the end of here. You want to kind of slide it around there. Just snug this up for now. Like so. Snug this one up. Okay. I'm going to walk around to the back here. There's a line on the back of the grinder you can also use as a reference mark. So you can set this level. Tighten that one down. Tighten that one down. And that's it for step 1.